Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the new and exciting feature of upscaling image, which is going to be inbuilt in 24H version 2 of Windows. So there is an AI-powered super resolution option and is also used for improving the quality. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Firstly, super AI resolution. This feature uses artificial intelligence to enhance and upscale your image up to 8 times, which you can see right over here. Now, once you open a photo, you can just simply tap on the super resolution button, which will be at the top, as you can see right over here. Now, you will see a scale indicator showing both current and enhanced. This can be especially useful to improve low resolution images, though keep in mind the result may differ based on the original image quality. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.